All right, this is Quiz Review problem 4. Can you read me the problem? Because since I can't download it.
180 square centimeters of material is available to make a box with a square base and an open top. Find the largest volume of the box.
Okay, so we have 1,800 square feet or meters or
Centimeters.
okay, and what we want to do is of material. Is it centimeters or what's the unit?
180 square centimeters. Centimeters.
Okay, no thousands there. I was thinking of a different problem. Okay, so let's inches of material, and we want to have a box that has a square bottom, right? So this is the bottom of the box, and it's square, so each side is X, right? And then you're going to have height, and this is going to be the height of the box. Whoops, that's not the height. The height is right here. Let me try and make it longer. This is the height of the box. Okay, so okay, so so you have a box. Okay, we don't have a top on it. What does the 180 represent? Meaning, when you have a box, right, you have volume and you have surface area. So the 180 square meters, is that surface area or volume? Surface area. And here, surface area, okay, it's 180, and it's going to be the area of the bottom, which is x squared, plus all four sides, right? 1, 2, the back, and and here. And the area of each one of those is x times h, right? Okay, so h times, here's x times h, and you got 4 of them. So that's the surface area, and we don't need a top because it said open top. So just because it says open top, it doesn't mean you have a sheet of metal and you're going to cut things out. You need to look at each part separately. So what we need to do is, and since we know what that equals, this is going to be your constraint. And the volume is length times width times height, but in this problem, the length, 2 of the sides are the same, so it's x squared times h. Okay, and this is what you're going to optimize. Everybody okay with that? So now, this is step 1, you draw a picture. Step 2, you get your 2 equations. And now we need to solve the constraint.